Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to fold your City Jogger stroller. First, make sure the stroller is completely empty. Remove any bags, toys, or other items. Next, engage the parking brake by pressing down on the foot pedal, ensuring the stroller won't move unexpectedly. Finally, find the two folding straps, usually located on either side of the seat near the child's legs. These are your key to a quick fold. Now, with the brake engaged and straps in hand, it's time to initiate the fold. Firmly grasp both folding straps, one in each hand, ensuring you have a good grip. Then, pull both straps upwards simultaneously with a smooth, steady motion. You'll notice the stroller frame immediately begin to collapse inward, folding in half as you apply upward pressure. It's a very intuitive process. Keep pulling those straps until the stroller is fully collapsed and compact. You'll hear or feel a click as the automatic secure latch engages on the side, holding the stroller in its folded position. This latch is designed to keep it securely closed for transport and storage. Once latched, the folded stroller should stand upright on its own, making it easy to manage. With your City Jogger stroller now neatly folded, you'll appreciate its compact size. The folded dimensions are designed for easy storage in tight spaces, like a small apartment or a crowded car trunk. Weighing approximately 25 pounds, it's also quite portable, allowing you to easily lift and carry it with one hand. This makes transport and storage incredibly convenient for busy parents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.